Understanding bumping heads, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, bumping heads. This idiom can be a bit confusing for English language learners, so let's break it down together. Bumping heads is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where two or more people have a disagreement or a conflict. It's important to note that this phrase is figurative, not literal. It doesn't mean physically hitting heads, but rather, having a clash of opinions or ideas. The phrase, bumping heads, likely originates from the visual imagery of animals like rams or goats physically clashing their heads when they fight. Over time, this image has been used metaphorically to describe human disagreements. 1. In the workplace, our team has been bumping heads over the new project strategy. 2. In personal relationships, my roommate and I keep bumping heads about household chores. 3. In public discourse, political parties often bump heads on key issues. Correct usage. The managers are bumping heads on the budget allocation. Incorrect usage. We bumped our heads while playing soccer. This is a literal interpretation and not how the idiom is used. Locking horns. At loggerheads. In a tiff. These phrases also convey the idea of a disagreement or conflict but may have slightly different connotations or usage contexts. That's all for today's lesson on the idiom, bumping heads. Remember, understanding idioms is a key part of mastering the English language, as they're used frequently in everyday conversations. I hope this video helps you navigate such expressions more confidently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.